Hello everyone, GM here. I hope you are all healthy and happy. Love and blessings to you all, and welcome to this brief tutorial on how to relax. You would be amazed at how many people in the world don't know how to relax. This video is for all of you. Also, specifically, if you have anxiety, you need to learn how to do this. If you are stressed, if you are a highly strung person, if you have problems sleeping at night, then once again, this is for you. The best tip I can give you before we go into this exercise is don't rely on this video. Use the video, relax whilst playing the video. But the main thing to remember is you are trying to get used to the feeling of relaxation. After a week of doing this on a regular basis, you will get so used to the feeling of relaxation, you'll no longer have to go through the process. You will be able to go there directly. A good example is everyone in the world knows what it feels like to be angry. Most people in the world have been angry so often in their life that if they had to, they could actually conjure up anger and go there directly. Why? Because they're very used to what it feels like. In the same way, and unfortunately, nobody knows what it feels like to be totally relaxed. So this is the point. Learn what it feels like to be 100% relaxed, and then you can go there for longer and longer periods each day until eventually you'll be constantly relaxed regardless of the situation you are in. That all being said, let us begin. Make sure you are in a comfortable place, on a chair, on a couch, on your bed, wherever you feel most comfortable doing this. Eventually, you need to be able to do this at work, at a bus station, at a train station, or anywhere you need to do this, because let's face it, when the lack of relaxation becomes a problem, it's usually in the middle of some kind of a scenario at work or at school or generally outside amongst the public. So here we go. Take a nice, easy, deep breath, about 2/3 capacity. And as you let that breath out, relax all the muscles in your body and sink into the chair that you are sitting on. Beautiful. Now take another deep breath, and as you let this breath out, allow all of your internal organs to just drop. So for now, drop your shoulders, drop your stomach, drop any tension in your body and just let go. Wonderful. Now, very briefly, place all of your mind, and I mean all of your mind and focus, onto your feet. Just take a look at the position of your feet, where your toes are situated on the floor, if at all, and let go. Don't manipulate them. Don't tense them and let go. Just have a look and see whether there's any stress or tension or not. It doesn't matter if there is, and it doesn't matter if there isn't. Now place your mind on your calf muscles and just allow your calf muscles to just hang off the bone like wet rags hanging off a clothesline, and relax and let go. Every muscle, every nerve, every fiber totally relaxed. Wonderful. Now place all of your mind on your thighs, and just for a few moments allow your thighs to just melt, relax and let go. Wonderful. And just for a moment, as your thighs are relaxing and letting go, take a moment to see if you can actually feel where your leg bone is situated and sinking into the muscle. It doesn't matter if you can, and it doesn't matter if you can't. What matters is you are paying attention to something other than what's going on in your head. Now place your mind on all the muscles around your pelvic area, your buttocks, your lower belly, your hip flexors, etc. And just relax. Deeper and deeper, more relaxed. Sink into the chair, sink into the mattress, and sink into yourself. Take another slow, easy breath, and as you breathe out, relax and let go even more. Every muscle, every nerve, every fiber, beautifully relaxed, all the way down, all the way deep, all the way relaxed. And take note of how this feels. Now place your mind on the muscles that run up each side of your spine, from the top of your pelvis to the base of your skull, and just let those muscles relax and let go. And as you let go of those muscles, all the rest of the muscles in your back can now hang off the rib cage, melt and relax, warm, tranquil, serene, and relaxed. Beautiful. Now place your mind on your shoulders and just let your shoulders drop. Totally relaxed. Every fiber, every muscle, beautifully relaxed. Excellent. And now allow your biceps and your triceps to just hang off the bone. Totally relaxed. Every fiber, every muscle, every nerve, all the way relaxed. Tranquil, warm, safe, and relaxed. All the muscles in your forearms, let go. No grasping, no clenching, totally relaxed. Your thumbs, your fingers, and all the muscles in your hand, all the way relaxed. Just let go, all the way down. Every muscle, warm, tranquil, and serene. So now you can place your mind gently on your neck and allow all the muscles in your neck to just relax and let go completely. Beautiful. And now just pay attention to your scalp. No tension. Totally relaxed. And your forehead. No wrinkles, no frowning. Just perfectly, wonderfully, beautifully relaxed. Just let go for now. Let go of the day. Let go of your thoughts. And just for now, let go of your body and allow it to slump. And now, just allow all the rest of the muscles in your face to just hang off the skull, your cheeks, your jaw muscles, your tongue and your lips, absolutely relaxed. Every muscle, every fiber. And now finally, just allow your eyes to sit in their sockets like eggs in egg cups, not looking, not focused, not seeing, just sitting there, wonderfully, wonderfully relaxed. So now in this beautiful, wonderful, relaxed state, take one more steady, slow, easy breath, and as you let it out, let your entire body sink deeper, lower into relaxation, all the way down, all the way relaxed, all the way peaceful, beautiful. And that is how to relax. Your body is totally relaxed, your mind is clear, but wide awake. From this point on, You are now in a position to do your mental work. Your stress has gone, your anxiety has gone. If you do this at night time, when you go to bed, to go to sleep, for the first time, perhaps for some of you in your entire life, you will go to sleep with 100% relaxed body, which makes for an exceptionally deep sleep. As I said in the beginning, the best tip I can give you with this exercise is don't rely on the exercise, except in the beginning, of course. But what the tip is to get used to this feeling of total relaxation. If you can do this several times a day, of course within a week, you'll be able to get rid of this tape and you'll be able to go straight to absolute relaxation at will. That is the aim. Good luck. Enjoy your relaxation and have a fantastic life. Love and blessings. Goodbye.